Do you climb floor often? Do you like to use the high number you have climbed as a daily exercise? The data displayed by the watch might give you a sense of achievement. Now, we are going to show you how the watch measure floor climb data. First, your device uses an internal barometer to measure elevation changes as you climb floors. A floor climbed is equal to 3 meters. It is recommended to climb at the floor climb feature. The floor's climbed amount has nothing to do with speed. If you feel that the watch isn't accurate during an activity, remind you that the device will only accumulate floors when you walk or run, when the height is raised by 3 meters or when you are uphill at 10% or higher. The floor's climbed amount is detected by the following 2 factors. 1. The barometric altimeter is used to detect air pressure change. 2. Movement changes detected by the built-in sensor. Overall, the factors affecting the floor climb data are as follows. Avoid holding handrails or skipping steps while climbing stairs. In windy environments, cover the device with your sleeve or jacket as strong gusts can cause erratic readings. The same measurement method may have some slight errors due to different conditions of use. It is recommended that you clean the watch regularly to avoid sweat, other particles and residues. That's it. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.